हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल स्टडी पॉइंट। आज हम एमसीक्यू सीरीज पार्ट 6 डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ऑन कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस, जो कि हेल्पफुल रहेंगे फॉर डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम लाइक जेकेएसएसपी, एसपीआई, आरबीआई, आईबीपीएस, आरआरबी, एलआईसी, एसएससी एंड अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। पार्ट 5 का आपको लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। पार्ट 5 का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा आपको। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, मेरा चैनल लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। चलो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 81, which menu in MS Word can be used to change character size and typeface? Option A, view, tool, format, data. The right answer is view. Next question, where can you find the draw table tool button? Formatting toolbar, table and formatting toolbar, drawing toolbar, standard toolbar. Right answer is table and formatting toolbar. Next, which item appear dimly behind the main body text? What mark है ये repeat हुआ क्वेश्चन, पीछे भी हमने पढ़ा था what में. Next, in MS Word, to move the insertion point to the beginning of the next word, command used is control plus right arrow, control plus down arrow, control plus left arrow. None of these. Right answer is control plus right arrow. Next, what the mailing list is known as dash. Data source, sheet, data sheet, open source. Right answer is data source. Next, on which toolbar can you find format mentor tool? A, formatting toolbar. B, picture toolbar. C, drawing toolbar. D, standard toolbar. Right answer is formatting toolbar. The minimum number of rows and column in Word table can have is A, 0, B, 2 row, 1 column, 2 row, 2 column, 1 row, 1 column. Right answer is 1 row, 1 column. Next, in MS Word, shortcut Shift plus Delete is used to delete the selected item permanently without placing the item in the recycle bin. B, copy the selected item. C, rename the selected item. D, create a shortcut to the selected item. Right answer is option A. Delete the selected item permanently without placing the item in the recycle bin. Next question, portrait and landscape are page orientation. Right answer is page orientation. What happen when you click on insert picture clip art? Option A, it insert a clip picture into document. It let you choose clip art to insert the document. C, it open clip art taskbar. D, none of these. Right answer is C, it open the clip art taskbar. Next, which of the following option is file? To pull down menu is used to close a MS Word document. A, exit. B, quit. C, close. D, new. Right answer is C, close. What is the extension of Word file? Dot, text, fill, doc. Right answer is doc. A word processor would most likely to be used to do typing a biography, maintain an inventory, do a computer search in media center. D, keep an account of money spent. Right answer is type a biography. Which operation you will perform if you need to move a block of text? Copy and paste, paste and cut and paste, paste and delete. Right answer is option C, cut and paste. Next, if you need to double underline a word, how will you do that? ये repeat हुआ, इसका आंसर डी है. Select the text, then choose format, then font and or font tab, open underline style and choose double underline. Next, in MS Word, to move the insertion point to the beginning of the text, word command use control plus right arrow, control plus down arrow, control plus left arrow. None of these. ये भी repeat हुआ है. Right answer is control plus right arrow. How can you disable external text mode? Press delete to disable, press F8 again to disable, press escape to disable, press enter to disable. Right answer is press escape to disable, ये भी repeat हुआ है. Which of the following symbol set would be mostly likely to contain a mathematical symbol such as degree, sign, greater than, equal to, or Greek code? Right answer is A, symbol. ये भी repeat हुआ है. What is the maximum font size you can apply for any character? 16038, 1638, 163. None of these. Right answer is 1638. If you need to change the type of a document, which menu will you choose? Edit, view, format, tool. Right answer is format. A word processor would mostly likely to be used to do type of biography. ये repeat हुआ है, इसको जाने दो. Graphics for word processor. Peripheral, clipart, highlight, execute. Right answer is clipart. When inserting page number in footer, it appeared, but you wish to show a. How can you do that? A. From insert menu, choose page number and specify necessary setting. From format menu, choose bullet and numbering and configure necessary setting. Click on page number format tool and specify required setting. D. All of these. Right answer is C. Click on page number format tool and specify required setting. What is the extension of files created in MS Word 97 to 2003? Dot, doc, dom, text. Right answer is doc, doc. Thesaurus tool in MS Word is used for grammar options, spelling suggestion, synonym and antonyms word. All of the above. Right answer is C. Synonym and antonyms word. To auto-fit the width of column, double-click the left border of column, double-click the right border of column, double-click the column header. All of the above. Right answer is double-click the right border of column. Which of these toolbar allow changing of font and their size? Standard, formatting, print preview. None of these. Right answer is option B, formatting toolbar. What should you do if you require paste the same format in many places? Double click the format painter, then go on pasting in many places. Click the format painter and go on pasting in many places holding alt key. Click the format painter, then go on pasting to many places holding control key. All of these. Right answer is A. Double click the format painter, then go on pasting in many places. Next, in which view header and footer are visible? Normal view, print layout view, page layout view, draft view. Right answer is print layout view. Next, the process of removing unwanted part of image is called cropping, hiding, bordering, cutting. Right answer is cropping. What does ext indicator on status bar of MS Word indicate? It indicates whether the external text is pasted on document or not. It indicates whether extended odd one are installed on MS Word or not. It indicates whether extended selection mode is turned on or off. None of these. Right answer is A. Which of the following option is not available in insert picture? Chart, graph, clip, or board art. Right answer is graph. Which option in file pull down menu is used to close a file in MS Word? New, close, quit, exit. Right answer is close. Next, where you can change the vertical alignment. Paragraph dialog box, standard toolbar, page setup dialog box, formatting toolbar. Right answer is page setup dialog box. A number of letters that appear little above the normal text is called superscript, supertext, subscript, top text. Answer is superscript. Which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word? Down cursor key, enter key, shift plus enter, control plus enter. Right answer is enter key. where you can find the draw table tool button, formatting toolbar, table and formatting toolbar, drawing toolbar, standard toolbar. The right answer is table and formatting toolbar. Next, which menu in MS Word can be used to change character size and typeface? View tool, format data. The right answer is format toolbar. In MS Word, shortcut key Control plus W is used for open the print dialog box, update the current web page, close the current window. None of these. Right answer is close the current window. Which of the following is the second step in creating a macro? Start recording, assign a keyboard shortcut to the macro, give the macro a name, using your mouse or keyboard, perform the tasks you want to automate. The right answer is assign a keyboard shortcut to the macro. What is the extension of files created in MS Word 97 to 2003? The right answer is dot .dox. उसके बाद do. Next question. वेट करो यार. In Word, the mailing list is known as dash data source sheet, data sheet source. Right answer is data source. Next, which are the following is used to create newspaper style column? Format column, format tab, table insert textbook. Right answer is format column. Next, what is the default number of lines to drop for drop cap? 3, 16, 10, 14. Right answer is 3. Which of the following language is more suited to a structured program? PL/1, Fortran, Basic, Pascal. Right answer is Pascal. Binary number need more place for counting because they are always big number. Any number of 0 can be added in front of them. C. Binary base is small. D. 0 and 1 have to be properly spaced. Right answer is C. Binary base is small. What is the name of computer terminal which gives proper printout? A. Plotter. B. Hard copy terminal. C. Soft copy terminal. D. Display terminal. Right answer is hard copy terminal. Which of the following computer language is used for artificial intelligence? Fortran, Prolog, C. COBOL. Right answer is Prolog. Speed of first generation computer was nanosecond, millisecond, nanomillisecond, microsecond. Right answer is microsecond. What difference does the fifth generation computer have from other generation computer? A. Technological advancement. B. Scientific mode. C. Object oriented program. D. All of the above. Right answer is technological advancement. Thank you guys.